Shame or Fame. Shame or Fame TV is a new, fresh online entertainment and talent show. Our aim is to find UK talent and provide an exciting, entertaining and fun show for the public to watch and enjoy. We visit towns and cities around the UK and search bars, clubs, events, universities and the streets for on-the-spot raw talent, bringing you fresh new episodes every month. We also help the performers market their talent by allowing the public to vote free for our exclusive fun voting system, using our site as a marketing foundation for their talent. Right, so the show split up as follows. On the spot, raw talent. This is a random public talent on the spot. We give them 30 seconds and let's see what they got. We have the Fresh Nut battles. Mr. Fresh Nut, we're coming for you. No spray, no lay, no tissue, no issue. This is all about those toilet aftershave guys. Who's the hottest in the UK? The Celebrity Hangout. This is exclusive to Shame or Fame and it's exclusive celebrity clips for us. What celebrities got the best talent? The University Battles. We travel each uni in the UK finding the best talent. What uni's got the best talent? The Street Battles. This is anyone off the street. People that don't know each other. Random strangers battling each other. The voting concept. Right, the way Shame or Fame works is simple. You upload your clip onto your social networking site. You get your friends, family and people you know to view and vote via our website. Guess what? It's all free to use. The more votes you get, the more fame you're bound to have. You start off with a red upset shame face. The more votes you get, the face changes. Simple. Talent scouts, event organisers and record labels will be looking at Shame or Fame and seeing who's got fame. So the more votes you got could make you famous. Enjoy.